Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 9th for the subject of mathematics, chapter 17, surface area and volume of three-dimensional shapes, which is being submitted to you on 21st December 2020. Students, in the previous chapter, we have discussed about two-dimensional shapes, that is, area and perimeter of triangles, quadrilaterals and circles. Now, in this chapter, we will discuss about surface area and volume of three-dimensional solids, that is, cube and cuboid, involving problems of type involving different internal and external dimensions of solid, then cost, concept of volume being equal to area of cross section into height, and open, closed cubes and cuboids. So this is all we are going to discuss in this lesson. Clear? Now let us discuss what is a solid shape. Objects that occupy space are called solid shapes. A solid has three dimensions, that is, length, breadth and height. Some examples of solid shapes are cone, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cube. Clear? Now here, sphere has neither any edge nor vertices. Is it clear to you? Now, the solid figures are identified according to the features that are unique to each other. Clear? Specifically, we can observe the number of faces, edges and vertices, as well as the shape of the base. The flat surface of a solid figure are its faces. Students, solid shapes are present everywhere around us. We live in a three-dimensional world. Every one of us has height, width and length. Examples in daily life are dice, ice cube, funnel, ice cream cone, boxes, books, fridge, or you can say washing machine, etc. Clear? Now let us discuss the meaning of volume of a solid. The measurement of the space enclosed by a solid is called its volume. And surface area of a solid is the sum of the areas of the plane or curved surfaces of a solid is called its total surface area. Now let us discuss volume and surface area of cube and cuboid. Cuboid, a rectangular solid bounded by 6 rectangular plane faces is called a cuboid. For example, a matchbox, a chalk box, a tea packet, a brick, a book, etc. Fine. Students, A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now students, you can see this is a chalk box. Length, then we have breadth, and you can see the height. This is height. So how many faces we have? That is 1, then below this 2, then 3, 4, 5, and that side 6. So we have 6 faces in a cuboid. So how to find the volume of cuboid now? The volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Clear? That is, you can say length L, breadth B, and height is H. I hope it is clear to you now. Now let us discuss about the total surface area of a cuboid. Now how to find total surface area? That is area of all the 6 faces. Now what is the area of the top? Length into breadth, and bottom also length into breadth. Clear? So 2 times LB. Now length into height, and similarly on the back side also length into height. So 2 times LB. Similarly, then height into breadth. So 2 times H into B. So the area is 2 times LB plus BH plus LH square units. Clear? Now, if we want to find the lateral surface area of a cuboid, that is area of 4 walls. Now, in area of 4 walls, we will not take the top and the bottom. So, LB and LB is excluded. So, we are left with 2 times LH plus BH. That is length into height plus breadth into height, where we can take the height common. So the formula is 2 times L plus B into height, or you can write it as 2H L plus B. Clear? Now let us discuss the formula of diagonal of a cuboid. The line joining opposite corners of a cuboid is called its diagonal. A cuboid has 4 diagonals. So diagonal of a cuboid is under root L square plus B square plus H square units. I hope the concept of cuboid is clear to everyone now. So let us discuss few examples based on cuboid. Example 1 is the length, breadth and height of a rectangular solid are in the ratio 6:5:4. If the total surface area is 5328 centimeter square, find the length, breadth and height of the solid. Now students, the sides are given in the ratio. So we can assume the sides as 6x, 5x and 4x. That is, length is 6x, breadth 5x, height is 4x. Now we know that the total surface area is 2 times L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Clear? So therefore, it is equal to 2 times 6x into 5x plus 5x into 4x plus 4x into 6x. Now after solving this, we will get 148x square. Clear? Now we know that in the question the total surface area is 5328. So let us compare the two values. So after comparing the two values, we will get x square as 36. So this means x is equal to 6. So therefore length is 6x. That is 6 6 are 36. Breadth is 5x. That is 5 6 are 30. And similarly height is 24 centimeter. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let us discuss another example. Example 2 is a cuboid has length, breadth and diagonal as 4 meter, 3 meter and 13 meter respectively. Find its volume. Let the height of the cuboid be h meter, that is small h. Clear? And length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter. As the length of the diagonal of a cuboid is under root L square plus B square plus H square. So L square is 4 square, B square is 3 square and H will remain H only. So that is already been given equal to 13 meter. Clear? So let us solve this now. 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9 plus H square is equal to 169. So therefore H is 12. Hence height of a cuboid is 12 meter and its volume will be equal to 4 into 3 into 12. That is 144 meter cube. Clear?